We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.